Welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Shuma Shankar. In this video I am going to talk about Hoff reaction isotherm. This is the one of the important topic in thermodynamics. Now, what is the Hoff reaction isotherm? This Hoff equation is a relationship between the Gibbs free energy G and equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant. Now, Hoff reaction isotherm is a relationship between the equilibrium constant and Gibbs free energy G. Now, G is a Gibbs free energy is a function of temperature and pressure. Now, in Gibbs equations, what happened there in Gibbs equation? Gibbs equation delta G is equal to VdP minus SdT. Now at constant temperature, what happened? Delta T is equal to 0. At constant temperature equal to 0, delta G is equal to VdP is present in there. Now V is PV in ideal gas equation. PV is equal to, in ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. What happened? You have to find out the volume. V is equal to nRT by P. This value substituting in this equation, delta G is equal to nRT into dP by P. Now this is the integration, delta G is equal to nRT into integration of dP by P. Now delta G is equal to nRT into dP by T. 1 by T is equal to integration of 1 by x dx is equal to ln x plus c. Now this c is called as integration constant. Now we have to not limits are not present in the this constant is present in there. Now therefore integration of 1 by x dx is equal to ln x plus c. This is called as the integration constant. Now dP by P is equal to ln P plus, this is the integration constant. The integration constant is the G naught. Now what happened? G is equal to G naught plus nRT ln P. This expression is present in there. This G naught is called as standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy. Now standard Gibbs free energy, pressure is equal to 1 atm. Pressure is equal to 1 atm. This called as G is equal to G naught plus nRT ln P. This is the standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy is a G naught equal to G at 1 atmosphere pressure is called as standard Gibbs free energy. Now this expression is present in there. Now we have to find out the Hoff reaction isotherm. First of all, you have to consider some system, like the system is called as equilibrium system. It means A of A plus B of B is equilibrium into C of C plus D of D. This is the D. This is the equilibrium reaction. This is the reactants and products. Now equilibrium constant, K equilibrium constant equal to C power of C and D power of D by A power of A and B power of B. This is the equilibrium constant of this reaction C power of C. This is product by reactants in according to equilibrium, chemical equilibrium concept reaction. This reaction equilibrium constant like this. Now in this formula is present in there. The formula is G is equal to G naught plus nRT ln P. this formula is present in this Gibbs equation. Now we have to find out the relation between the Gibbs free energy G and relation between the Gibbs free energy G and equilibrium constant. Now this chemical reaction, what happened, this chemical reaction, this component Gibbs free energy G, this chemical component A of Ga equal to Gibbs free energy is equal to A of Ga naught plus RT into ART into ln PA. This is the Gibbs free energy of this component A, as well as BGB equal to B of GB plus B into RT ln PB. This is the Gibbs free energy of this term, and Gibbs free energy of this C of C is C of GC equal to C of GC naught plus C into RT ln P into C, and as well as D into CD equal to DCD naught plus D into RT ln PD. In this, these are the Gibbs free energy of the first A component, B and C and D components. Now what happened, this reaction, this is the Gibbs free energy is present in the, now change in Gibbs free energy is equal to summation of change in products minus change in Gibbs free energy products minus summation of Gibbs free energy reactants. Sum of the Gibbs free energy reactants, products minus reactants. Now what happened, delta D is equal to, in this case these are the products, these are the reactants. Now products and reactants, what happened, this expression, now the products is the, these are the products C of C and of PC naught plus CRT ln PC plus D of DZ naught plus D into RT ln PD. This is the products minus reactants. What is the reactants, friends? Reactants is A into Ga naught plus A into RT ln PA S plus this is the B into GB naught plus B into RT ln PB. These are the products and reaction. In this expression, delta G is equal to Cg naught. This is the Cg naught plus this is the change, standard Gibbs free energy is one side and RT ln one side. What happened there, this reaction, this is the products, this is the products C delta naught plus D, this is the products, and reactants is the A into Ga naught plus B into GB naught plus this is the tens, this is the products and reactants Ga naught values, and this is the, as well as R ln PC terms is like this. This is the R ln PC terms, therefore RT ln, this is the reactants and products in this expression is present in there. This is the products PC power of C and PD power of D and PA power of A and PB power of P. This expression is present in this equation. Therefore RT ln PC power of C, because of these are the products and these are the reactants. Products minus reactants. Now RT ln is common. Therefore PC power of C, PD power of D minus PC power of A, PB power of B is also called as, this expression is present in there. Now what happened there in this expression? This is clear. Happened there, this is the products and reactants is also called as delta E is equal, this is the free energy, gives free energy, standard gives free energy, products minus standard gives free energy, reactance is called as delta G naught. Delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln PC power of C and PD power of D by PA power of A and PB power of P. Now at equilibrium, what happened? Delta G is equal to 0. Now this delta G is equal to 0, this called as PC power of P and PD power of D by PA power of A and PB power of B is equal to equilibrium K equilibrium. This is presenting in equilibrium condition. What is the equilibrium? At equilibrium dz not equal to 0 and this is called as equilibrium, K equilibrium. Now delta G naught value 0 is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln this called as K equilibrium. Now delta G naught is equal to minus RT ln K into equilibrium. This is the called as relation between the standard gives free energy and equilibrium constant. This is expression is present in the van 't Hoff reaction isotherm. This is called as van 't Hoff reaction isotherm, and this is the relation between the standard gives free energy G and equilibrium constant. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.